Right, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tutorial for 5th of January. This week's tutorial is all about post-18 options and what might be the right course for you. You will be aware that there are lots of different things out there. I know many of you will be thinking about going to university. Some of you will be absolutely certain that university is not the right option for you. Some of you are thinking you might want to go but you don't know what to study. Some of you might be ready and raring to go in a career and just get a job, earn some money and go down that route, or apprenticeships, or something that's a mixture of lots of those things. Some of you might be desperate to take a gap year, don't know what that'll look like at the moment, but there's nothing to stop you doing that as well. So there are loads of options out there, and the important thing to remember through all of this is you've got to do the right thing for you. There will be lots of people putting pressure on you to do what they think is the best thing for you. You have got to pick the choice that is right for you at that moment in time. And you can always change your plans in the future if things change for you and you decide you want to do something else. So this session is about looking at the options that are out there in a bit more detail. Some of you might know what route you want to take, in which case you can do some exploring of that. For those of you that really don't know what you want to do yet, then you could just start having a look at more of those options. Right. I know the discussion element of this lesson is not going to work in the same way that it would do in the classroom, but I'd like you to just take a few seconds to think about what are your plans, how do you get there? So if you know that you want to go to university, do you know what sort of grades you need? Do you know where you might want to go or what courses you want to study? For those of you that are wanting to go and get a job, are there some specific skills that you might need to improve? Do you need some interview skills? Do you want to go and get some work experience? So just pause the video a second and have a think about what you might need to do. Okay, so hopefully you've got a bit of an idea. Some of you will have more of an idea than others. That's absolutely fine. And part of my job here is to support you with this as well. So in the coming months, we'll have conversations about what your plans are and what support you might need from us as well. Right, this is your first big task for this morning. There is a rather complex diagram on the screen in front of you, and this is aimed at helping you exploring all those different options that are available, but also picking out the one that you think might be the best option for you. I would actually recommend you read through the information on the right hand side first if you think you might know what you want, or you want to just read about each of these opportunities in a bit more detail, or you might want to completely ignore that and go through the diagram so that you're not swayed by where you think you might end up, and answer the diagram honestly. What I need you to complete is the form, which is linked on Show My Homework for this. That is basically this diagram. So you start off with the first question, answer yes or no, and then that directs you to the next question. It's all multiple choice and you're just checking the tick boxes. So let's say for the first question, would you like to continue in education? You tick no, then you tick the no tick box. That might say go to question 4, so you can skip 2 and 3, answer question 4, which will be that one there. And when you get to a certain point that would be the same as these endpoints, it will tell you which of these you've reached and direct you to your next steps to do on Unifrog. I will be checking that to make sure you've done it. That will feed into my information that I've got for you having completed this lesson, but also it will feed into the conversations that we'll have over the next year and a half about your post-18 options. So please make sure you complete that and make sure you do it honestly. It won't take very long. You might want to do it on here first, you might want to do it straight in the form. That's entirely up to you. And then once you've done that, please continue with this video. Okay, so hopefully you've filled in the form, or you might be finishing this video before you do that. There are some things to think about in terms of your future options. There are obviously different routes you can take, and each one has its pros and cons, and what might be a pro for one person might be a con for somebody else. They're very, very individual things. Again, the discussion element of this lesson is somewhat lost here, but I'd like you to have a think about what are the pros and cons for you. Are you excited at the prospect of leaving home? Do you want to be able to stay at home? That doesn't necessarily affect any of these options. You can do all of them from home or elsewhere. Are you wanting to take a gap year if you're wanting to carry on in education? Do you want to go straight through, complete all your education and then take a gap year, or go straight into work? If you want an apprenticeship, do you want one where you're gaining a qualification with it, a more specific one like a degree apprenticeship? Do you want to get a job? Do you want a job with some sort of training aspect, or at least the potential for, but not necessarily as regimented as an apprenticeship? There are loads and loads of options there. So please do think about pros and cons for you. And if you're not sure what's the right path for you right now, that's absolutely fine. And even if you think you do know, you might change your mind at some point in the future. But at least, hopefully, this gives you a bit of a starting point to do your Unifrog work in a moment. So here's your task number 2. You need to log into Unifrog, and then in the know-how library, search for whatever your either chosen route is, or the route that you'd like to start off exploring if you're not sure which direction you might want to go in, and you need to read some of these articles. There will be a homework task set up for you to complete on Unifrog as well. Details about that are on Show My Homework for you as well, and you've got a 2-week deadline for that. Again, I'll be checking that it's completed, and I will be in touch with you over the next few weeks as well. There are some videos for you to watch. Again, pick the ones that are most suitable for yourself. I'll put all of these links in Show My Homework for you, so you've got easy access to them. We've got degree apprenticeship, school leavers programme, why you might want to take a gap year. You might think that sounds amazing, you might think it's not for you, but if you're something you're considering, it's definitely a video worth watching. So here's the information about your homework. In the Managing Applications section, complete your initial post-18 intentions. So what are you thinking that you will want to do after you finish your A-levels? And again, this is all open to change. It doesn't matter, but it gives me a bit of an idea of what you're thinking about doing, and that'll feed into our tutorials in the future as well. All of this information is linked on Show My Homework for you. The homework task is set up as a separate task from this lesson because you've got a 2-week deadline for that, whereas the form for the flow diagram needs completing today in the lesson time. So I know that's a very whirlwind video for what would have taken us the best part of an hour in lesson, but I'd now like you please to make sure you've completed the form if you haven't already done so, and then log yourself into Unifrog, read some articles from the Know-How library, and then you can start this homework if you've got any extra time in the Managing Applications section. If you need any support from me at all in these next few weeks, do just send me an email, send me a message on Show My Homework, get in touch, and I will be in touch with you shortly about coming plans for contact and just making sure you're all right. Right, speak soon. Bye.